All right, so this is my rough draft mayhem, right? Rough draft mayhem. Always be working on your offers. Here's the offer that I came up with. So we got a bunch of products because we serve the real estate investing niche. We've come up with different things for each people. So these are all things that I have been requested. People have requested from me. So essentially I have 3 branches. I have Digitize, which is our educational branch. I have DREA, which is our real estate investment associate alliance and group learn investing. And then we have tech and web services, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Like, this is always be working on your offers. Always be adding more value to students, right? So we had a bunch of things that we offered. And what we're going to do is it's time to simplify. So here's what I'm going to do, right? At first, right? So I want you to see me. First, over here, we have Digitize, our educational platform. You can get in and you can get started for as low as $7 per month, right? You can start our 5-day video challenge. That's only $7 a month. So this is and these are all memberships and subscription packages, right? Because you want residual, passive income, whatever you want to call it, you want that. So Digitize is our educational platform. You can get started. You can get in there for $7 a month, right? But we also have 2 upgrades of Digitize. And the first upgrade is upgrade to the social media for real estate for $57 a month. And then we have the paid ads at $197 per month, right? So that's Digitize, and that's the educational platform, right? Then we got DREA, which is the real estate investment group, the alliance, the association. And we have multiple packages for this too. So you get the membership, you can get in the membership, you can do free. So we do free meetup groups. It's no charge. Then you can do a membership where you get access to the community, our resources, templates, you know, all of the tools. You get access to everything for $47 a month. And then we got like a few upgrades that, you know, we got group coaching, we got mentorship, but the core product is here. So this membership is the core product. I have a core product for each. This is the core product. And what I want to do is I'm going to circle. Well, that's the core product. You know what the core product is. I don't have my other markers, but that's the core product. That's the main thing that we want to sell. Over here, this is the main thing that we want to sell, our social media for real estate. Then on our tech and web services, the main thing that we want to sell is our subscription, software as a service subscription, which is $197 per month. So to simplify this, we have tech and web services. We have the website for $57 a month. We have a CRM that you can get for $397 a month. We have consulting in addition to the CRM. So you get consulting and you get me, like live demonstrations, me doing whatever. Then we got a done for you package where we do everything for you at $3,000 per month. Of all of these, right? My favorite is the CRM where I don't have to manage clients, right? So 3,000 looks great. It sounds good, but I don't get rich off of this. This is where like you need to pay for my time because it takes away from my business. My favorite offer here is the CRM because it doesn't require a lot of maintenance. This is my second favorite, but my ultimate is here. So this is going to be our core product. This is our core product and this is what we're going to sell. So now to talk about always be improving your offer. And just bear with me because this is my rough draft mayhem. Over here, like what we're going to do is you're going to get all of this. So 757, 90, 197, you're going to get all of that, right? You get all of that. And our offer, like always be working on your offer, right? So our offer is this. You can get all of this and we can give you all of that at $57 a month, right? Or we give you the core product at $57 a month. However, if you are smart, this is what you're going to do. So you can buy it for a year, right? You can buy the core product for a year. So let me just underline it. You can buy that core product for a year. At first you get 2 months off, right? So you get 2 months, right? So $570, you get the, you know, the typical save 2 months of whatever subscription, right? But it gets better, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut that in half. So I'm going to cut that in half. And this is what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you that at half the price. So half the price is this. Half the price is $287 for the year. So you get all of that. You get the 5-day video, you get the video marketing school challenge, you get the social media challenge, and you get the paid ads and the paid advertising, all for half price. And to keep it consistent, I like sevens in all of my marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you all of that for $287, right? Now for DREA, our investment association, what we're going to do is we're going to take our core product, which is right here, our membership at $47 per month. And at the $47 per month, I'm going to do the same thing that I did over here, right? I'm going to give you the meetups, you're going to get the membership, and you're going to get access to the group coaching. We're probably going to cancel the one-on-one mentorship because we can't do that and scale, but you're going to get all of that. So $47 a month or $470 for the year, right? Here's what we're going to do. You can get all of that at half price. So $235, right? And to keep it consistent, I like sevens. So what we're going to do is we're going to do $237. You're going to get all of that at $237 for the year, as long as you do a one year auto renew. And over here, we'll do the same thing, 1 year, right? So that's our core product. Now next, our core product for the tech and web services, right? Our core product over here, and you're really winning if you come in and you get this for a year, but that's what we're going to do, right? We're going to do that. You're really winning if you come in and you get all of this for a year, but that's okay, right? We will figure that out. We will take that loss. So our core product over here is the software as a service. I'll talk about that in more detail another time, but that's our core product. So what I'm going to do with that core product is I'm going to give you all of that for a year. So 1970 times 12, minus the 2 months, is 1970 for the year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all of that. So 1970 divided by 2. I'm going to give you all of that for half price. Half price. And that equates to, remember, I like $9.97. I like to keep this to the consistency. So that means you're going to get all of this, our core SaaS product, for only $9.97 for the year. For the year. So you get that for an entire year. And what we might do is, as long as you're on auto renew, you can keep that locked in price of $9.97 for the year. Okay, so that's fair. Now, this is a live example of my rough draft mayhem, right? always be improving your offering, your product for your customer, right? To stay ahead. So I just wanted to show you, again, this is my whiteboard. Some people don't like it, but I don't give a damn, right? I don't give a damn if you don't like my whiteboard, because I'm providing value. The value is in the message. So my whiteboard mayhem, I believe we finally have products finalized. Digitize, which is our education. DREA, which is our investment networking, real estate investing networking. Then we got SaaS. I don't know what we're going to call this yet, but we got our tech and web services. Tech and web services that you get for $9.97. So different products. We got subscription and we got the annual, and you cannot beat this, right? So you come in and you get our digitize. You can get that for $287 for the entire year. You can come get our DREA, our investment association education. You can get that for $237. And then for our tech and web services, you can get that for $9.97, as long as you commit to a year. Is what we're doing, right? So I'm doing this to show my thought process. I'm also going to show it to my colleagues that I work with. And this is just my thought process. And it should provide value to you, because you should always be working on a product for your customers and your prospects. You should always be adding more value for them. So this is more value. Like, this streamlines the services and the products that we offer. This streamlines everything. This streamlines everything because we do a lot here. So this streamlines it, and it gives you a way to look, give me what I want. So you can come in, you don't trust in our product just yet, right? Come in, test it out. And the cool thing about all of this is that we offer a money back guarantee if you don't like it. So that's how confident we are in the services and the products that we provide. So again, you don't trust us, give it a month, give it 2 months. You're like, you know what? Let me test it out. Let me see if the value that I need is in there for $57. Test it out. Go ahead, check it out. Drea, you want to come do some networking? Test it out. $47. Just test it out. Same thing with our tech and web services. Come in, test it out. $197. And bam, there you go. The prices may change. Remember, this is my rough draft whiteboard mayhem. The prices may change, but I just wanted to show the thought process of always improving your offer, coming up with offers, always be improving and working on your offer for your customer and your prospect, right? So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye.